Up to 2 external sensors can be connected to the 2 Wi-Fi data loggers, Testo160 THE and Testo160E. To do this, simply insert the plug of the external sensors, in our example, the sensors S-Lux UV and STH, into the socket on the lower edge of the logger. If necessary, the distance between the mounted logger and the external sensors can be increased. There are extension cables available for this purpose in the lengths 60 centimeters and 2.5 meters. Simply plug the cable between the logger and the sensor.